You thought the DJI Pocket 4 Pro had no more surprises left? You might be wrong. The device features a dual camera system, enabling both near and far cinematic shots for more flexible storytelling. What if the most exciting DJI Pocket 4 Pro upgrade isn't a new feature, but a stunning new color? The main difference is its stunning new color finish, which gives the device a completely different look and feel. Everything on the camera has been carefully designed in white, including the body, buttons, control area, and even the gimbal assembly. DJI has also added a stylish red 4P accent, creating a beautiful contrast against the clean white finish. The overall design feels premium, modern, and very eye-catching. What stands out most is the attention to detail. The camera head, rear section, and even the internal visible components all follow the same white color theme, creating a consistent and elegant appearance from every angle. It's a bold design choice that makes the Pocket 4P look fresh and unique compared to the traditional black version. DJI seems to have refined the overall usability of the Pocket 4 Pro, making it easier to manage accessories and memory cards while keeping the setup compact. Now let's move on to the camera system itself. According to the information currently available, the main camera features a large 1-inch image sensor capable of capturing high-resolution photos and detailed video footage. The main lens uses an f2.0 aperture, allowing it to gather a good amount of light while maintaining strong image quality. While both color options look great, I feel the white Pocket 4P may appeal more to users who prefer a cleaner, more fashionable aesthetic. It has a softer and more stylish personality that helps it stand out from the crowd. For the first time, the Pocket 4P has appeared in a stunning pearl white edition, and it immediately stands out. While the design remains identical to the black model, the new color completely changes the look and feel of the camera. The Pocket 4 Pro's most significant upgrade is its dual camera system. The primary camera uses a 20mm equivalent focal length, giving users a wide field of view that's perfect for landscapes, travel content, vlogging, and everyday shooting. Alongside it is a dedicated telephoto camera featuring a 60mm equivalent focal length and a bright f1.7 aperture. This secondary lens allows for improved portrait shots, better subject separation, and more flexible framing options without relying entirely on digital zoom. Personally, I prefer this white version over the black one. It feels fresh, modern, and reminds me of the Insta360 Luna Ultra White Edition. Beyond the new appearance, the Pocket 4P still delivers the powerful imaging performance that creators expect. Looking closely at the front of the camera, you'll also notice the magnetic filter mounting system. This allows users to quickly attach accessories such as ND filters, CPL filters, and other lens filters. These filters can significantly improve image quality in challenging lighting conditions and provide greater creative control over footage. In challenging backlit scenes where many compact cameras struggle, the Pocket 4P performs remarkably well. Skin tones remain natural, shadows retain detail, and highlights stay under control without obvious clipping. The camera captures a balanced image even in high-contrast environments, proving that the combination of the 1-inch sensor and D-Log2 workflow is more than just marketing. Powering on the Pocket 4 Pro reveals DJI's familiar gimbal startup sequence. The camera smoothly rotates and stabilizes itself within seconds, showcasing the precision of its 3-axis mechanical gimbal system. The user interface appears clean and responsive. One noticeable improvement is the dedicated zoom control. With the enlarged zoom button, users can quickly switch between focal lengths and adjust zoom levels with minimal effort. Using the dual camera system, users can move from the wide 20mm perspective to tighter telephoto framing almost instantly. DJI claims the system supports substantial hybrid zoom capabilities, making it easier to capture distant subjects without physically moving closer. For example, when photographing a subject located far away, the wide-angle camera captures the entire scene, while the telephoto lens can quickly bring the subject closer for a more focused composition. This flexibility should be particularly useful for travel photography, street photography, and content creation. Now let's compare the Pocket 4 Pro with its predecessors. Positioned in the center is the Pocket 4 Pro. On one side we have the Pocket 3, while the standard Pocket 4 sits on the other side. At first glance, the Pocket 4 Pro is slightly larger than both previous models. The increase in size is understandable, considering the addition of the second camera module and upgraded internal hardware. Looking at the side profile, all models maintain a similar overall design philosophy. The memory card slot placement remains familiar, and DJI's logo positioning stays consistent across the lineup. However, the difference becomes more obvious when viewed from the front. The Pocket 4 Pro's dual camera system occupies noticeably more space than the single camera setup found on earlier models. Despite the increase in size, the weight still feels manageable. The camera remains compact enough to fit comfortably in a pocket or small bag, preserving the portability that made the Pocket series so popular. Moving to the rear and side views, the overall design language remains largely unchanged. The biggest visual difference continues to be the larger camera module and upgraded lens system. Finally, returning to the front of the device, we can see several refinements to the button layout. The Pocket 4 Pro introduces additional controls compared to previous generations. This is the biggest pocket camera fight of the year. DJI Pocket 4 Pro versus Insta360 Luna Ultra. One camera comes with crazy new ideas, detachable screen, Leica lenses, and insane zoom. The other comes from a company that already mastered this category. On paper, the Luna Ultra looks like the future, but specs don't always win once you actually start filming. So the real question is simple. Do you pick the exciting new challenger, or the refined camera that already knows exactly what creators need? The Insta360 Luna Ultra is getting attention for one big reason. It feels different. Insta360 didn't play safe here. They built a pocket camera with dual Leica lenses, up to 6 times lossless zoom, 8K recording, and a screen that literally pops off the body and works like a wireless remote. That one feature alone changes how people shoot videos. Imagine setting the camera on a tripod, walking away, and still seeing yourself perfectly framed without touching your phone. For vloggers, solo creators, travel videos, and group shots, that's actually huge. No other pocket camera is doing it like this right now. Then comes the zoom. Most pocket cameras struggle when subjects are far away. You either walk closer or digitally crop and destroy quality. Luna Ultra fixes that with a real telephoto lens. Suddenly, travel shots look more cinematic instead of flat and distant. On paper, it sounds like Insta360 already won, but then DJI enters the fight. The DJI Pocket 4 Pro might not look as flashy, but this is DJI's 4th pocket camera. That experience matters more than people think. DJI already spent years fixing stabilization, tracking, colors, and overall reliability. When you pull out a pocket camera, press record, and move around, it usually just works. That's where things get interesting. The Luna Ultra is a first-generation product, and first-generation cameras almost always have small problems at launch. Maybe autofocus misses sometimes, maybe tracking needs updates, maybe stabilization improves later through firmware. Insta360 is great with updates, but early buyers usually become the testers. DJI already passed that stage years ago. The Pocket 4 Pro also brings features creators quietly love after long shooting days. Built-in 107GB storage means no panic about SD cards failing or running out of space. 4-channel audio with direct DJI mic support makes recording cleaner and easier. If you already use DJI gear, everything connects smoothly without extra setup. And honestly, that workflow matters once you sit down to edit videos for hours. Still, the Luna Ultra refuses to back down. For creators who constantly film themselves, the detachable screen is genuinely game-changing. It makes solo shooting easier in ways specs can't fully explain. It feels modern, flexible, and smart. This is the kind of feature competitors will probably copy later. But the biggest twist is availability. In the US, buying the DJI Pocket 4 Pro could actually become annoying because of current restrictions and import issues. Meanwhile, Insta360's Luna Ultra should be available normally through official stores and Amazon with proper warranty support. Suddenly, the more expensive camera becomes the easier option. So who wins? If you want the safer, more polished camera with proven stabilization, smoother workflow, and reliable performance, the DJI Pocket 4 Pro probably wins for most people. But if you love trying new tech, film yourself often, and want the most innovative pocket camera design right now, the Insta360 Luna Ultra becomes seriously hard to ignore. This battle isn't really about specs anymore. It's about trust versus innovation. And honestly, that's why this fight is so close.